Claudie cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, dices. Claudie cooks.
Hey foodies, you're back with Claudie Cooks, and today I'm going to introduce you to a really nourishing and energizing, blood sugar friendly juice that you can sip in this really hot summer heat that we're experiencing right now, but still feel like you're part of the social scene without having any alcohol. Are you ready for this? Let's get blending. Woohoo! Let's prep the ingredients. Right, see, I'm just cutting, it's about a quarter this pineapple. I'm just going to peel it and then we're going to chop it. And this juice, it really helps to support healthy blood sugar. You know, it's packed with anti-inflammatory ingredients. It boosts our digestion, our immune system, and it's energizing. And not only that, it's naturally sweet and no sugar, which is what we're looking for. Right, so I'm just going to take out these little bits. It's a bit difficult. Right, there's this. You know, it's quite a hard bit in the center, so I'm removing it. And now we're just going to chop these. I'm using 2 organic carrots and I've washed them already. So we're just going to chop them. Okay, I've washed this beetroot and I'm using an organic one, but if you are using the other type of beetroot, please peel it, because I just scrubbed this and washed it. We're using a piece of ginger. Just going to slice it. Okay, let's get blending. Let's put all the ingredients into the blender. Okay, and in with 2 cups of coconut water. You can use water instead of the coconut. So in with 2 cups. And we've got about a cup of pineapple in there as well. And as you see, 1 medium beetroot and 2 carrots. And we are going to blend this up now. And look at the color. How vibrant does that look? I want this to be a smooth drink without any bits into it. So I'm going to strain it. You could have put this through the juicer, but I just couldn't be bothered to go and dig out my juicer. So we're just going to put it through the sieve. We're going to use chia seed for fiber, so we still will be getting our fiber in this. But if you want to as well, just have it as it is. I won't be throwing this away. I'm making some muffins and I'll be using this as part of the binding agent in the muffin. So 2 meal out of 1. Right, we're going in with a teaspoon of chia seeds and some lime juice. Look at the color, so healthy and vibrant. You just know this is going to be really good for you. We're going to pop that in the fridge. Cover for about 10 to 15 minutes until the chia seeds, you know, puffs up. And then we're going to serve that over ice. Just going to give that a taste before the fridge. Oh my goodness, this is lovely. And I think what I'm going to do is add the other half of the lime to it because I do like it to be a bit more limey and zesty. I'm just going to try it again. Yes, so refreshing. That's going in the fridge now, so I'll see you in a moment. Let's serve up this delicious blood sugar friendly carrot, beet, pineapple and lime juice summer drink that is just going to nourish your body through and through. So let's get some ice into the glass and let's pour ourselves a glass of this nourishing, colorful, vibrant juice. Look at that. And you have the chia seed that's filled with fiber, and also it helps to absorb the sugar more slowly into your bloodstream from the pineapple and the carrot. Some mint leaf and a piece of lime. And just for an extra kick of Caribbean flavor to that, we're adding just a pinch or ground allspice. And there you have it, guys, my Jamaican combo juice to balance and nourish your body, mind and soul. So if you're into this kind of health drink, that are more clean for the body and wellness in every way, subscribe, thumbs up, share with your friends and your family, and enjoy, and let me know what you think.
Claudia cooks, bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices.